Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited.
Hey, chicken wing. Sorry.
I love you too. How was your day?
Don't touch me.
Sorry.
No, do not touch.
Are you doing anything fun tonight? You farted? What? Okay, well that's kind of gross.
Fuck you.
What?
I love you.
Aaron. Fuck you.
Wow, indeed.